Okay, so I went and did another thing. It's another one of my new arrivals. This is Blizzard. He's a Max Snow leopard gecko. See if I can get him to turn around here. He's a little fidgety. He's a newborn. I just got him a couple days ago. Again, I named him Blizzard. He's a Max Snow leopard gecko. I'm trying to get him to eat that cricket you see off here to the left. He's eaten one so far. No, no, no. Can't go that way, bro. Oh, he's a quick little guy. Quick little guy. Get back in there. Oh, again. As you see, really quick. Alright, well, I'll get a better video of him eating once I get him to calm down, but again,